China suffered a massive blow in the hands of Indian troops in North Sikkim. At least 20 Chinese soldiers suffered massive injuries and 4 Indian troops sustained injuries during a brawl at Nakula in Sikkim. The incident took place on 20th of January when Chinese troops tried to enter into the Indian side. They were then challenged by the Indian troops. India today has learned that following challenge from Indian soldiers, the Chinese are said to have indulged in a physical brawl first and suffered bloody nose. They were pushed back by the Indian forces. Army has also released a statement following this clash. It was clarified there was a minor face-off between Indian and Chinese forces. Local commanders have resolved the issue as per the established protocols. Meanwhile, on all points along the Indian territory, the Indian forces have been maintaining a strict vigil. The situation at the clash area is said to be stable at the moment, but tense.
China is totally frustrated because the way we are occupying mountain tops on the southern side of Pangong Tso, it is causing a lot of frustration in the minds of Chinese leadership, and therefore China wants to show or is showing its anger on its frustration on the ground by indulging with Indian troops in hand-to-hand fight. China should understand that India of today is a strong India, is an India which is capable of safeguarding territorial sovereignty and integrity of this great country. So China better mend its ways if it really wants peace on the border.
At the moment, one can just make out that there has been a kind of a patrol clash. Their patrol probably tried to inadvertently or did it on purpose, crossed over, and our troops were alert and they intercepted them. I have a feeling that nothing much substantial is going to come out in these talks between the ground level commanders, even if it's at the corps commander level. This has to be raised higher. This has to move into the diplomatic realm because so far we've had 8 rounds, but nothing much has come out except the fact that both sides have agreed not to let it escalate into firing or total breakdown of the set down rules.
China and India, they're both carefully watching at what Joe Biden will do. And China is trying to test the envelope, right? We should be fully prepared for escalation. And as far as we are concerned, we would not like to escalate deliberately, but if push comes to shove, India is prepared to give it back. The Chinese have lost face. The whole world has seen how India has stood up to China and given it back tit for tat.
Palla is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Abhishek, the army after this particular clash has gone ahead and issued a statement. If you could walk our viewers through the clarification that is coming in from the Indian Army on the back of this report that's coming in.
Well, first of all, official confirmation that there was an incident in Nakula in North Sikkim. However, the army is downplaying the incident, saying that, facts need to be ascertained and things should not be blown out of proportion because whatever happened was resolved at the local commander level. Now, just to give a little bit of a background to Nakula, this is an area which has largely remained peaceful over the years. But over the last 10 to 11 months, there has been some tension here. In fact, before the Ladakh standoff even started, there was a face-off in April 2020 in this particular area where there was a scuffle. And since then, things have been quite tense in this sector, even though there hasn't been a big flare-up. We are yet to get details of what kind of a clash it was, whether there are serious injuries on both sides. If there are, what are the nature of these injuries? And most importantly, how many soldiers, either on the Indian or the Chinese side, got wounded. But in the meanwhile, what we have is a confirmation from the army that there was an incident, there was a brawl, yet to get the details regarding this.
All right, Abhishek, continue to be with us right there. Abhishek is getting us all the latest that is coming in, the official word coming in from the army right there, as the Indian soldiers are thwarting Chinese attempt at intrusion in Nakula. North Sikkim, politics has also erupted over the national security issue. The Congress party once again has claimed that the Modi government's silence over Chinese infiltration and encroachment on Indian territory. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has also put out a tweet saying that after staying silent in China for months, Prime Minister Modi may just talk about it now. Earlier, the Congress spokesperson Randeep Surjewala taunted the Modi government, asking it to not be scared of China and clarify on the border situation with China. BJP has earlier mocked the Congress party, accusing it of ceding thousands of square kilometers of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to Pakistan and Aksai Chin to China. It questioned why successive Congress governments did not do anything to prevent the loss of Indian territory.
1,000 kilometers of Indian land has been taken by the Chinese. The man with a 56-inch chest cannot say the word China.
56 இன்ச் மார்பளவுள்ள நரேந்திர மோடி சீனா என்கிற வார்த்தையை கூட சொல்ல முடியாதவராக இருக்கிறார்.
He does not have the courage to say the word China.
சீனா என்கிற வார்த்தையை கூட சொல்ல தைரியமற்றவராக இருக்கிறார் நரேந்திர மோடி.
You look at his speeches for the last 3, 4 months, 5 months, he does not say the word China. When the Chinese entered our territory, he lied to the nation and said nobody has come.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.